Well, today we're celebrating our fantastic Bucuti Tara Beach Resort team. The people who make it all possible, who work magic day in and day out to make sure that our guests have unforgettable experiences. And that's the reason why out of 1.6 million hotels worldwide, we're named the 5th best hotel in the world and #1 in the Caribbean on TripAdvisor. We had the honor of having the Prime Minister, the Minister of Tourism, also the President of the Commission of Tourism, and the CEO of the Aruba Tourism Authority. We're so honored that they took the time to come here to spend time with their associates and celebrate alongside them. I think Bucuti Tara Beach Resort is an example that when you put your heart and soul into your business, you do it with purpose, with integrity, and not just for profits, but also to reap the benefits throughout your community with your guests. It really gives you the results, because to think that an independent, locally owned hotel with 104 rooms on a beautiful small island that almost doesn't show up on certain maps could make this and achieve this is an example that anybody can achieve it. All you have to do is put your heart and soul into it and do business for the long term and for the betterment of your island and for your community.
Experiencia inigualable. Me traje na Bucuti para 19 años. Então, me sinto Bucuti está mi casa, está mi segundo hogar. Me sinto proud de trabalhar na Bucuti para mim, o mais importante está dando o melhor serviço para mi guest. Mi guest é hopi importante para mim. Não está vir na rua que busca uma experiência especial, então não se apura de assim nos vês para não sentir na casa. Isso é mais importante para mim. Trabalhar na Bucuti dá o melhor serviço na mi guest. Danki.
We're proudly today celebrating with our associates that we've become #5 in the world on TripAdvisor. It's quite a long time achievement to be able to get, our target has always been to be in the top 10 of the world. And finally this year we went from 21 in the world to #5 in the world, along with #1 in the Caribbean and the #1 in Aruba as per the reviews on TripAdvisor, the globally recognized review platform that our guests share their actual honest feedback.